Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at the MarketSite studio in Times Square, New York City, we have Adelman. He's a co-founder and CEO of Lolli. We're going to learn more about Bitcoin rewards and how they can be used and accrued. Alex, it's great to have you with us at MarketSite. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you for having me.
All right, and tell us about that. Lolli is a rewards application that allows people to earn and own Bitcoin as they shop online and in store. What does that look like?
Yeah, so we've created the leading Bitcoin rewards company. We give people Bitcoin both online and in store at over 1,100 merchants and over 25,000 locations today.
What are some of the merchants that participate in the program?
We have CVS, Shake Shack, and Office Depot, and places you can go in store. So these are merchants that you're used to going to and you know and love. And then online, places like Ulta, Booking.com would be good examples.
So how does it work, and are the rewards impacted by the volatility that we've seen in the crypto space?
So Bitcoin, goes up and down
Right.
as Bitcoin goes up, but the rewards stay the same. So, you can earn up to 30% back on your everyday purchases, and on average of about 7% back. And that's just converted right into Bitcoin. And what we're trying to really do is create the easiest way for people to get into Bitcoin without actually having to buy it. So as Bitcoin, goes down right now, historically, clearly, it's gone up significantly. When we launched, Bitcoin was at 4,000. Now it's at 20,000. So many of our users are still doing very well. But we just really want to create a risk-free way for people to get into Bitcoin and truly own their Bitcoin.
So do you have to have a wallet attached to this, or just simply shop at the store? Like, where is this stored?
So Lolli is the wallet.
Okay.
Online, you're going to your favorite merchants. You activate our Chrome extension. In store, you use our mobile app that turns any credit or debit card into a Bitcoin rewards card. So you're taking your existing Visa or MasterCard, and we actually can turn that card and add Bitcoin rewards on top of it.
So with the rewards itself, can you use it for future purchases, or let's say you want to cash out? What are the options?
Yeah, your Bitcoin's your Bitcoin. You can move it back into cash and treat it as cash back, or you can move it to any Bitcoin wallet or exchange, or you can use us as the wallet and keep your Bitcoin on Lolli.
And you recently raised $10 million in a Series A round. What's that going to allow Lolli to do?
Yeah, so it's going to allow us to grow. So we're constantly expanding to more merchants, giving people the ability to earn in more places. We're bringing on new merchants every single day, new features just about every week.
So it sounds like the growth trajectory is certainly there. Are you only in the US, or are you looking to expand internationally?
Yeah, we'll be expanding internationally probably over the next year. Right now, we are hyper-focused on the US. It is an incredible market for us. We want to expand internationally. The demand for Bitcoin is clearly international. It's an international product that connects 4.5 billion people with an internet connection through commerce. So there's a lot of demand, and we will be growing quickly to meet that demand.
And that's a good point that you make, because I feel sometimes we tend to be very US-centric, and we think about it as a store of value. Meanwhile, billions of people around the world use it as a source of revenue and as a way to transact business.
Yeah, that's the beautiful thing about Bitcoin. It connects 4.5 billion people through commerce, and it's really the only currency in the world that does that. It's an internet-native currency, so I can move money anywhere in the world the same way that I would give you $1. And that's really powerful and it's really unique about Bitcoin. And people can't take it down. It's decentralized in nature, and for 13 years it's continued to do the exact same thing it was meant to do, which is be a currency that people can transact and move anywhere in the world.
All right, Alex, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.